Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out the Cleantle Streakless glass towel, which I received from automotionwebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid ad, but you are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. I will use it only on a couple of glass surfaces and only on the inside because I'm going to use like an anti-fog glass cleaner product, but that shall do the trick. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the Cleantle waffle weave towel, or glass cleaner towel. It has the ideal size. It's not too small, it's not too big, and also it has a nice harsh surface, so it makes cleaning easy, and you can buff also with it nice and easy. So all in all, I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a good glass cleaner towel. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.